And here's my index.html page, and as you can see, when we click on the link here in a second, it's going to go to the redirect page and then redirect you to ibm.com. And here's just a simple view of the database structure I used for the link table. And as you can see, I have the ID field and the URL field. I just used some starter links there on the right side under URL. And then under ID, I use that as the key and just put from 1 up. And here, as you can see in phpMyAdmin, under the local host and in my link table, I have all of my same structuring with ID and URL as the fields, and 1, 2, 3 set up on the left, and then the URLs for IBM.com, South Central, and Google.com. And right here you can see how I added get into the URLs, so I put the question mark to refer to get, and then ID equals 1, and we'll use that a little bit later. And here I use the links I did because the flashLink redirect.php file is also in the same area that my HTML file is located. And then I added the question mark because of the get and the ID equals 0 because it helps with my database references. And here we take the ID record out of the get array and then insert it into the myID variable in PHP. And I know it's a little out of order, but I actually verified that there was information in the row down at the bottom here using the isset command. And here, as you can see, I took the MySQL query that I did from the select all from link where ID equals and the number we got from the myID variable using the get array, and I inserted into return all or ret all variable, and then I inserted that into the row variable which equals the MySQL fetch array, which gets its information from ret all and holds the records. And here I use the header function to return a variable, and then I set that equal to the row URL field to return the correct URL. And I think the most important thing I learned here was how to get the fields from MySQL and output them using PHP and how to redirect them.